Before my fast, whoever watches my vlogs. I'm in here watching Casey Neistat shit. You know what I'm saying? That's my man Zalante right there, you know what I'm saying? The office. Chicken balls right there. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I think I need a new tripod. I'll be watching these things. Look at this thing, man. This is a $20 tripod. This is my first tripod I got. It's still taped up. Still getting the job done. I need something better because I got better cameras and I don't want my cheap ass tripod to break and break my camera. You know, for those that watch me, I just broke a camera.
Like that, it's not supposed to stay out like that. It's supposed to stay on. This thing is ruined.
It was a cheap camera, but still it cost me money and I'm mad about it.
Casey, though.
At Burger King, get my food. They messed up yesterday. That horrible chicken sandwich. Check my review if you ain't seen it already. Hopefully they don't give me no problems. Got my food. Got a number 2. These fries are super fresh in the pawn shop. And see if they got any good deals in there. I don't got a lot of money, but whenever I can get something for a good deal, it's like making money, if that makes sense. What's going on, man? Not much, man. So I want to be like Casey Neistat, right? And record time-lapse videos. But my camera, unless it's hacked with the CDHK firmware, can't do it at the moment. And look at this. Standstill, but wouldn't that be nice to see a whole building torn down on film? Look, here it goes. It starts to get. Get a better angle. Anyways, back to our regular scheduled program. Place of the world. Save that money. get in here. Yeah, that's definitely not. But this $5 one, it's $5, so I like almost want it just for the simple fact that it's $5. You. Got you, my man. Thank you. Anyways, just left the pawn shop. Boy got a tripod right there. $5. You can't beat that. $5.40 with tax. Let's just round that up to $6. My little cheap ass one I done had for like the last 6-7 months. I paid $20 for that, and I thought that was a good deal. I been should have got one from the pawn shop. I don't know anything about name brands. I just figure as long as it holds my camera, it doesn't drop it. Money well spent. Got my tripod. Got to film some on the street scenes to practice doing this time-lapse shit, like my boy Casey. Still on that man's YouTube right now. And
shout out to Casey again.
pretty much it's about to go down. I got a new stove too, by the way. I'm about to go down, so I'm about to eat my double whopper. It's cold by now because ordered this shit like a half an hour ago, but go ahead and get it on. Like I need another free meal.
Hey, do it like, hey, my nephew's gonna come up here. We were just up there, something. But hey, his name is Lon.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Might work.
Oh, it probably will. If I get grumpy, all right. Shout out to I think it's Missy. Missy.
Yeah, I didn't even actually talk to her. They hooked me up once I started tripping.
You know what that dog was? That dog was me.
We gotta do that reaction video, man. Ready to do that reaction video?
I didn't even know you had the camera.
It's always on. Always on, nigga. Vlog life. Vlog life. VL, vlog life.
Oh my God. So, hey, YouTubers, all that watch and subscribe to One Eye, Two L's. You know, my dude is not a pork eater, swine, any of that sort. And these niggas got bacon on this motherfucking burger. He's finna flip out, bro. I thought this nigga was just finna throw the burger and shit, but the burger's still sitting. Like, motherfucking swine.
That's bacon, man.
Swine, bacon.
I can't even eat that pickle now.
Just touch the swine.
I'm about to eat this sandwich though. This normally not my style.
It's all on the patty though.